guys, welcome to Renuka's Mindful Fitness. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm Renuka and today's recipe is bottle gourd pancake or Lockie chilla. As we all know that bottle gourd helps in weight loss. How it does so is because bottle gourd is high in fiber content and water content, which makes it a low calorie veggie. It also improves your sleep pattern, which is a crucial part of weight loss. A good night's sleep improves your metabolism and also helps in activating your hormones. So now let's quickly begin with the recipe. Quickly have a look at our ingredients. Here I have around 1 cup of grated bottle gourd or dudhi, 1 cup of besan, some turmeric, some dhana jeera powder, some mustard seeds, sesame seeds, salt to taste, curry leaves, ginger and green chili paste. In a wide bowl, add bottle gourd, besan. We'll keep little bit aside. Let's see the consistency and then accordingly we'll adjust it. Okay, now let's add some turmeric powder, some dhana jeera powder, our ginger and green chili paste, all of it. Here I've taken it around 1 big spoon. You can adjust the spiciness according to your taste, however you like it. Okay, now add little by little water in this and adjust the consistency. We'll add the remaining besan now. See, bottle gourd already has a lot of water in it. So first, don't be in hurry to add water. First make the batter like this, dry batter, then slowly add water. Okay. Now add little by little water. You can add little bit of red chili powder as well if you like it. Totally optional. Add some more water. This is the consistency of the batter that we need. Okay, nice and smooth. Now add salt to taste. Mix it well, and now we'll prepare a nice tadka for this batter. Heat around 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and once it's nice and hot, we'll add some mustard seeds. Okay, some sesame seeds and curry leaves. Add a pinch of hing or asafoetida, give it a nice mix and pour this tadka into a batter. Pour the tadka into the batter, okay, and give it a nice mix. And now let's start making our bottle gourd pancakes or chilla. Now grease a non-stick pan or a dosa tawa with some gingerly oil with the help of the onion. Okay, you just have to grease it like this with olive oil or the gingerly oil or any normal sunflower oil. Okay, but try not to use refined oil. It's not really healthy. Now once it's nice and hot, we'll put around 1 ladleful of the batter. Add in a little bit more. Okay, and spread it gently. Don't make it too thin also, because we have added bottle gourd and it may stick to the bottom. Okay, Now cook it nicely. You don't have to add any oil into this because we have already added 1 spoon of olive oil in the batter, plus we have also greased the pan well, so there's no need of adding any extra oil or ghee to it. Don't cover it or anything, just let it cook. Once the sides are dry, we will flip it. Now as you can see, the sides are nice and dry. Let's flip our pancake or chilla. Okay, fingers crossed. Alright, looks good. Press it gently and let it cook on the other side as well for around 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now let's check if it's done on the other side as well. Okay, so it's ready. See how beautiful it looks. Now same way you have to make the pancakes with the remaining batter. It will the amount and the proportion that I've shown you, it will give you at least 2 pancakes of this size. Healthy bottle gourd pancakes are ready. Enjoy it with some homemade pickle or curd or ketchup, whatever you like. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll be back again with some more healthy recipes for you all. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.